a 100-year-old home. It's a home I fell in love with, and it has so many amazing features, but the one thing it does not have is straight windows. It has windows that are cracked and broken and worn out. Not a window in this house was open. It was pitiful. I contacted Window World. They were extremely friendly. They asked me some questions over the phone to kind of determine what my needs were. When the salesperson came to my home, he measured every single window individually. Each window was custom for that exact window, so every window fit perfectly. We looked at the windows together. He helped me select the most energy efficient windows for my home that still fit with the historic feel that really blended in with my existing decor. He showed me the amazing warranty, just kind of alleviated any fears I had. The next step in the process was the guys came out. They came in, they were friendly, literally went right to work. They popped the windows out and put these brand new, amazing, incredibly beautiful windows into my home. I selected windows for my home that didn't have grids on them because I really wanted it to fit the existing windows that were in the home. From the outside of the house, they match the exterior perfectly. It looks like they've always been here. The one thing that really stuck out to me was the fact that Window World is an Energy Star partner. As a consumer, that's a recognizable name. It definitely reassured me. Now the windows are the jewels in the home. I think there's an element when you are getting your windows, there's just an element of concern. There's an element of the unknown. If it's something that you've never done before, it can be a little overwhelming. But Window World, from the beginning to the end, they met and exceeded every expectation I had. Window World really is simply the best for less.